right, we've got new highs again in gold, but before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So the key here, I think, is going to be this red 10-period moving average. That's key dynamic support. Currently at 3,848 and rising. You can see that this next target zone here was hit today with a new record high of 3,991, and that leaves open the next target around 4,000. So it looks like there's a good chance at least 4,000 will be hit, but the upside target looks to be this top dash channel line, which is parallel this lower line down here. There's two parallels actually on this line. There's one up here that connects a lower high. Let me just straighten this out. And then there's one up here that connects this high right here. So that's the next upside target. If gold continues to get stronger, of course, a break below today's low, 3,941, will show short-term weakness and a possible test to follow around the 10-period moving average. That is it, and then we could see that it's very overbought, so the risk of a correction is increasing, even if it's a minor correction, not just because of this, but for other reasons as well that I've spoken about in previous days and articles and videos. But that's something to keep in mind. Be careful here. It's not a great time to buy, in my opinion. This is the time to look to take profits, or at least get on top of your risk management and have a strategy how you're going to handle weakness, but also have a strategy how you're going to handle strength. What if we get a spike up, something dramatic happens, and we get an acceleration in upward momentum in gold? If that happens, then if we just take the previous advance of 35.5%, if we see something similar in the current advance, that would put gold way up here around 4,445. Whether it's reached or not is not the point. The point is that there still remains upside potential, given this potential symmetry with the prior measured move. And of course, that prior measured move may not be met exactly, but it gives us a little bit more information to help gauge the potential strength or weakening of this current advance. All right, that is it for gold traders. Have a great week.